It worked! Hello there, I don't know if the sound is working, but we're going to be going to the adoption center and adopting Basil the Budgie. Alright, so I'm going to read her. We're not allowed to show their codes. I did not know that. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video. Aw, she's so cute. Okay, her name is Basil. I think that's how you spell it. Wait. Let me see if that's how you spell it. No, that's not how you spell it. It's B-A Basil. Let me see. You know what? Let me check again. Basil. Okay. Alright, it's a girl. Yay! Okay. And she's a little kinz. Aw. Okay, let's go play. I don't know what. Okay. Congratulations, you've earned the friend of the fowl badge, and it's been added to your badges widget on my page. Your my page. That's funny. Okay. Alright, well, let's get some items from storage and see if the present normally doesn't show up for me, so I have to log out and then log back in. Oh, here. It showed up. But what in the world? That's her. Alright, well, apparently I can't get around in my house, so I'll just drag it up. What is that? Oh, that's a super bed. What?
Oh, I love those. Those are awesome.
A budgie striped sofa. Woohoo. Alright.
You get to choose
Whoopsie. Okay.
a bed.
Let me see. Which one looks
There's
expensive?
A breakfast in bed.
Oh, I did I did that one for April. I think
There's rainbow bed.
I don't want that one. It's a tree top.
Look at that. Click on it.
Bed of roses.
That's
I'm trying to think, like, maybe green. No. I want to, like, green.
You either get that one or look or that one.
Okay, that one's for the tree. I don't know. I'm gonna do the bed of roses.
Wait, that doesn't go in the treetop room.
Oh dear, I don't know what to do.
That one, that treetop bed goes in the treetop room.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Now we'll have to read her whatever. I know this is not entertaining, but I still have to look at it. Okay. Hi, I'm Basil. I know we're going to be friends forever. My friends say that I'm bright, and a good musician. I love going to the movies. I'm buddies with a Yorkie, and I'll let you in on a secret. I love cakes, and I've always wanted a game of checkers. Oh, I'm not going to print that. If only it let me in. You know what? Rearrange. Wait. How do you... Oh. What's the curio shop? No. 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 I might have to X out real quick. I'm going to X out real quick. Alright, the, welcome to the curio shop, or whatever it was, is gone. So now I'm going to make a new room. Right, where should it be?
Why don't you go right next to the backyard?
I don't know, that's not going to look good. Let's do it up by...
Why don't you do it near blue stuff?
I really don't know. Where is
Norman?
it?
Pickles.
No. Let's do it. I'm going to do it by Abby. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay. We'll go ahead and buy the treetop room. Yes. Yes. Yay. Oops. jump. I'm gonna jump now. Ooh, this is gonna be so cool. Awesome!
She looks like a baby.
Where is she? Oh, she's right there. Alrighty. Well, let's do furniture. Why is it so hard? Furniture. Okay, I think I already had a treetop room. Or, not treetop room, but treetop bed. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Why is it so hard to find it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, that was weird. Where is it? Treetop room! Bed. Oh, yep, I have 2 Whoopsie. Okay, I'll put that right here. Wait, did it work? No, it didn't. Oh!
You gotta be slower.
Why is it? Okay, there we go. Oh!
You're just gonna burn in the sun.
Oh, yeah! Awesome!
Ooh.
What? Put 2 in there.
She can have a double bed. And then
Let me see how goofy it looks. Hold on.
now where'd it go?
Maybe someone can share a room with her. I'd be lucky. Alright. Wow.
And then what? Watch.
Well, click on it.
I'm trying to click on it.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that's neat though. Now let's go to bed. Awesome. I can't believe I got another treehouse bed. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. That's the adoption of Basil, the little kinz Budgie Bird. Yeah. Bye. Huh?
This is the adoption of the little kinz Budgie Bird.
Okay, let's have her say goodbye. If I can. Wee!
Bye.